Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is a quick video tour of an Octavius Tower non-smoking premium room. Bit of a mouthful. Starting off at the entrance hallway here, you come in as lovely and wide. You've got an interconnecting room on one side. Pretty basic layout for the tower. This is the 58th floor. This is room 5862. And first thing we have as we come in on the left hand side, or depending how what your room layout is the bathroom. Lovely huge bathroom. You've got this gorgeous big shower and your products on the wall, the refillable ones, your separate toilet, dual vanity area, again your products there, and there's also a jacuzzi soaking tub. There's also space for additional storage down the bottom. There's nothing in there, but there's just empty for your own storage. So coming away from the entrance, you have your main room, obviously, and you've got your king bed to the side here. Nice, very nice bright lamps. It's a big room, but it's it does a very good job of keeping itself feeling very, very light. To the side of the bed you have a power adapter, USB A and C, 2 power outlets, and wireless charging. That is only on one side. The other side is where your in-room phone is. Just down by the side there is another socket down there, but in terms of what you have by the bed, that is the main one. Round to the side is your seating area. You've got your corner couch, a table, and a single chair. Kind of looks a little bit on its own there, but you can bring it around to the table. On the top here is your ice bucket, and then behind the couch, dead space, but it's where your air conditioning unit is. It does work very well. I've just turned it off because it is noisy for the video. And nice big piece of artwork there. But finally, swinging around opposite the bed, you have your desk, space to work here, your coffee machine, under there just some drawers. And on this side is your minibar, down there is your minibar fridge, and up top are additional items which you can purchase and charge to your room. And your TV up there, and just additionally there are some other plugs. Down here you've got video, audio for the TV, your TV ones, and then you've got 2 additional power sockets and Ethernet cable there. And that is it. I'll show you the view in a second. But it's a really nice room. It's very clean, very well appointed. Just come from New York, and it's I can say confidently it's a much nicer room than over at New York, but it's a different level of hotel resort. Just show you the view outside. So the Octavius Tower is the one that runs down the far back of the resort. It's a fair old walk from reception, from checking in, but it's a really nice view. If you get this side, just sort of at the back of Bellagio, you've got the lake at the front. You can see the fountains when they're on, Paris and Planet Hollywood there as well. And there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you've stayed here and want to share your own experience, please leave comments down below. But until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.